In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and manage client accounts using Google Ads Manager accounts. If you're diving into the realm of digital marketing, managing multiple client accounts efficiently can make a significant difference in streamlining your work. So let's get started with a step-by-step guide to get you all set up. First and foremost, you'll need to create a Google Ads Manager account. It's crucial that you use a Google email address for this process, as this will be the main access point for managing all your client accounts in one place. If you haven't yet set up a Google Ads Manager account, head over to the Google Ads homepage and follow the prompts to get started. Once you've created your manager account, it's time to sign in. Log in using your credentials and navigate your way to the dashboard. This is where all your account management magic will happen. Next, you're going to want to find the accounts icon. It's usually represented by a small grid of squares located on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Clicking this will reveal the wide array of accounts you can manage. Now, let's get into the sub-account settings. Click on Sub-Account Settings to view and manage the accounts you'll be working with. This will give you the flexibility to add or link new client accounts seamlessly from this section. Ready to add your clients? Click the plus button. This will enable you to start linking existing client accounts to your manager account. If you're managing multiple accounts, this step is incredibly handy. Once you've done that, the next step is to click on Link Existing Account. Here you'll need to enter the customer ID of the Google Ads account you wish to link. The customer ID is a unique identifier for each Google Ads account, so make sure you have this information on hand. For those managing multiple clients, here's a tip. You can enter multiple customer IDs on separate lines to link several accounts all at once. This feature is especially useful if you're onboarding several clients at the same time. After you've entered the necessary IDs, the next step is to click on Send Request. This will send an email invitation to users who have access to the Google Ads account you're trying to link. If you're not seeing the account in your manager dashboard immediately, don't worry. After sending your request, users with access will receive an invitation email. They will need to accept this invitation in order for the account to be officially linked to your manager account. Once they accept, you'll receive a confirmation that the account has been added. And there you have it. The account will now appear in your manager account's accounts section, allowing you to effectively and efficiently manage all your client campaigns from one place. By following these steps, you're now better equipped to organize and oversee multiple client accounts through Google Ads Manager successfully. Happy managing.